I'm Gwendolyn B. Ampon, grade 4 student of OIMS. I'm here to explain what is survival kit, why survival kit is important, and what we need to put in survival kit. Survival kit is important to have the right supplies on hand to help people survive after disaster occurs. Here's the things we need to put in survival kit. First aid kit. Gauze pad, roll of elastic bandage, pack of tissue, thermometer, rubber gloves, safety pins, small scissor, and the important is medicines. Second, the personal care items. Soap, roll of tissue, and face mask. Third, practical emergency items. Duct tape, flashlights, extra battery, and pizza. Lastly, basic tools like water bottle, canned goods, bar,